Hey everybody, Lorraine here. Came downstairs to play with paint some more. Today I want to do a flower. I really like the blown flower effect. And I have mixed up my Artist Loft White, which I already have down on my canvas to save a little bit of time. I have a Master's Touch Rogue, which is a deep magenta. I have a light magenta. Not sure if I'm going to use this one or not. I haven't decided yet. I have a violet and I have a gold. And I have my straw. And I am just going to go ahead and put a puddle here. Let's start over here in this corner. Just gonna do a puddle pour. I have my paints mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and probably about 10% water to get them thinned up to the way I like them. What I want to do is kind of bury that with the white first, and then I'm going to work out from the corner. Like it. Turn it around so you can see it the other direction here. Bring the camera in so you can get a closer look. Okay, so here we are. Looks very pretty. Kind of want to zoom in on those cells that we have down here in the corner. It wisps out. I'm very happy with this one. So guys, thanks for coming and visiting with me tonight. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. It'd be nice if you would follow me. I'll be putting more videos out. So, thanks again. Bye.